All right, everybody, let's get started. So, this is day four. I think so. Day four. Yes, today is Thursday, day four of summer camp, and we have quite completed rodocodo. We have done quite some levels. I think so. We have done 3 levels, right? 3 to 4 levels. And right now we have completed this one, sequencing, we have completed debugging, we have completed loops. All of these students now know how to do debugging of a broken code and know how to do loops. And then we have also understood functions. We have understood how we're going to be using functions. They have all completed these levels. And now, right now, we are on this level, which is the science experiment level, or you can say experimenting things level. So, in this level, we will be having some obstacles in between, and they will be experimenting with the code, how they're going to be removing those obstacles. Okay, and after completing this level, we will be having this certificate. This is a rodocodo certificate. So after completing that level, all of my students are going to be getting this certificate. Are you guys excited for your certificates?
Yes.
You're quite excited to get your certificates, right?
Yeah.
Then you will be a coding champion. All right, everyone, let's get started. So over here, what we are going to be doing, we're going to be starting this experimenting. Let's get started. We have watched this video to get an idea of how we're going to be solving this particular lesson. Okay, so let's get started. Over here, we have this level obstacle main, but the main obstacle in our way is this box over here. This wooden box is the main obstacle in our way towards the finish line. So to get rid of this obstacle, firstly, we will count how many steps do we require to get towards the finish line. So let's count it together. All right. Can you all see?
Yeah, Mom, I can see it.
Okay, so over here, as I was talking about the obstacle, we have this obstacle over here, and we need to get towards the finish line. So, to get towards the finish line, what we have to do, we have to get this obstacle removed from our way. So, let's count how many steps do we require to get towards the finish line. Let's count it together, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we need 7 steps in total, but to get the obstacle off from this particular platform, we need 5 steps from here. As you guys remember, I told you about loops. Mahra, what is a loop? Can you tell me?
A loop is a thing that you can put other like these things inside. Wait, I can show you it.
No, that's the function. You are mixing
A
two things.
function. This is
Yes,
a loop.
yes, this is a function. You are right. But I'm talking about a loop. You remember I told you loop.
Yeah, you have to put these things inside it.
No, you are correct. But this is a function. If you remember, I told you about the loop. Loop is what? That repeats itself again, right?
Yeah, that repeats and repeats and repeats
Yes.
and repeats.
Repeats itself till a certain time where we put a value and it that will stop it against that value. Okay, just a minute please. Okay, now because we have this particular box over here and we need to move 5 steps forward, so what we will do, we will add this loop over here, and we will add this one in it inside the loop, and we will change the loops, what do you call it, the number of the loop. So right now my loop is running how many times? 2 times. So what I will do, I will change it to 5 times. So how many steps that loop will run? 5 steps. Let's see. Can you see that? It's easy, right? Now,
Right.
moving forward with the next part. Over here, we are right now over here, and now we need to move our dog towards the right hand side because, sorry, left hand side because we need the dog to face that direction. So we will use, can you see? We will use this one, the orange rotation, and then after that, let's try it again.
Mom, it actually works. I just have to add 2 steps. Let me add 2 steps.
Add two steps. So see, 1 and 2.
Mom, I won. I won.
You won? I'm so happy for you.
Okay, I'm on the next level.
Right? We got it. We have won this level, and this was level 1. Let's move ahead towards the next level, that is level 2. So, in this level, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be moving this obstacle which is in between our way towards the finish line. Okay? Now, let's try this one. How we're going to be doing it. Let's try. We need to move 1 step forward and grab the coin. Then we need to move 1 step forward and then grab the coin. And then we want to rotate ourselves and then grab the coin again. So let's try it. But actually, the thing is, my class time is over. So I think so. We will complete this in the next lesson on Monday. Will it be fine with all of you? Because your teacher is going to be here. My class time is over. Let's end the class today till here, and we will complete this particular level 2 on Monday, inshallah. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.
Friday? Not on Friday?
No, Fridays are off. We don't have summer camp on Friday
Oh,
because Friday
okay.
short day na because of Jummah prayer. So we don't have class on Friday. So